What would be chemistry class without experimenting? What would be biology class without this acting? What would be literature class without performing a play? And what would be computer science without what? What do you think? Computer? But why should it be like this? Really, why should computer science be the only subject where we are not allowed to interact, to play and to try out new things on our own? Why are we tolerating that computer science is all about things that are running inside of a machine where we can't see them? Why should computer science be only all about green numbers on a black screen? But schools teach within these narrow limits. At the same time, our society and everything we can touch is becoming more and more digitalized. And we have to understand the basic concept of the things we use on a daily basis, because otherwise we build up new borders. Moreover, learning is a social skill. It's all about trying out and getting feedback. We have to learn with all our senses to really learn effective. So, 3 years ago we decided that we want to create computer science in a completely different way. We want to overcome the stereotypical picture of computer science and to break down the image of a black and inanimated screen. So we want to give computer science a physical body, but how's this supposed to be? Of course, there are already some solutions, but it's all about plugging in and being busy at the current flow. Don't get me wrong, I love electrical engineering and I spend hours in electrical labs, but that's physics and it's only distracting here. So back to the topic, how can we give computer science a physical body? With a robot. With a robot we can get feedback and gain experience on our own. Unfortunately, the most robots are really big, so you can't work with them on the average school desk, and they are really expensive. So you cannot offer one robot for one student. But to improve the learning aspect, you have to give every student their own robot so that they can work with them, like with their own calculator. So let us overcome these boundaries, let us break down the old barriers. We need a solution of a small, connective and inexpensive robot so that every student can have their own robot. And we create this robot, the Dezibot.